You need pressure to win. You need pressure to achieve your dream. What is pressure? Pressure is having a deadline. If you really want to have a goal, you better have a deadline. You have to have a deadline so you know if you fail or succeed. Do you know how many people have said, I want to write a book? I want to start a business. I want to be rich. It's great to have that dream. But if you want to succeed and achieve that dream, you better have a deadline. How many dreams have found its way to the cemetery? Too many to count. One of the biggest reasons those dreams died is because there was no deadline. Now listen to this. I want to visit my favorite country. Fill in the blank. Pick your country. Now do yourself a favor. Put a deadline at the end of that dream. Put yourself on a timeline. I hate to say it, but you aren't going to be here forever, and when you go, so does your dream. If you want something, it's not enough that you just want it bad enough. No, you have to have a deadline, a timeline. Look at the world. Look at how high school works. The timeline for high school is 4 years. If you don't finish high school in 4 years, people give you a weird look. There's a weird stigma that's attached to not finishing high school in 4 years. But yet, most of us finish high school in 4 years because there's a deadline. Because there's a real major social deadline when it comes to finishing high school in 4 years. And if you don't, there's, again, a very negative social label that follows. Having a deadline is one of the major steps when it comes to achieving your goal. Today, let's all take a look at what we want to accomplish and attach a deadline to it.